Hey, what's going on, guys? William James here, and in this video I want to talk to you about what makes an irresistible offer and how to evaluate opportunities before joining. So this video is really geared towards folks who are in the kind of make money online, network marketing, affiliate marketing type of a space. I know some of you guys watching this channel are coaches, consultants, doing other types of stuff. So this video is really more for the folks who are doing the sort of business opportunity type of marketing online. So if you're new to the channel, my name is William James, and I do videos for marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, consultants, online entrepreneurs, helping people to start and grow home-based businesses. I specialize in Facebook engagement, organic Facebook strategies, and I have a free group where I teach all my awesome free Facebook strategies. There's a link under this video if you're not part of the group already. And of course, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. So let's dive into it here, guys. So I think this is a huge problem in the industry, specifically talking about the kind of home business, make money online industry where I on Facebook, I go out every single day on Facebook and I'm looking around at what people are doing. And I've been doing this for like 10 years, right? So I've seen pretty much everything that people are promoting. And to be honest, I see a lot of garbage offers. I see a lot of people promoting stuff that I cannot possibly conceive of why anyone would want to promote that because I can't conceive of why anyone would want to buy that thing, right? So the first thing that I would say about how to kind of evaluate and offer a business opportunity, before you join, as well as how to kind of craft your own offer that's really unique and irresistible, because that's what we're after here. The first thing you have to think about is like, what is it going to look like from the perspective of the person who is going to be buying this, right? So I think a lot of people are running into problems because they're promoting something because for whatever reason they like the product, or for they're thinking of it from their own perspective and not from the perspective of like, what's the marketplace actually looking for, right? So the first, there's kind of there's three pillars that I think are the foundation of how do you create an irresistible offer and how do you decide whether an opportunity is something that you should be hopping on board with. The three pillars, the first one is value. I call it value. And basically what I mean by that is, does it have a real product that actually solves a major pain in the marketplace? So, I see so many people promoting things that I look at and I go, why would you promote that? Because it isn't really solving a need that anybody really has. There's so many specifically sort of MLM, network marketing type of companies where the product is just not something that anybody has a burning need for. It's like sort of like general wellness niche in particular seems to me an extraordinarily difficult area to try to promote, because there just aren't a lot of really crucial needs being met there in a lot of cases. There's a lot of these kind of very generic products that are like, supposedly they're just supposed to make you feel a little bit better or something, right? And to me that just isn't a pressing enough need to make it easy to market. So really what we're looking at here is this going to be easy to make money with, or is it going to require a huge amount of education and convincing to try to get a new person to see the value, right? So the first thing is value. Is like, does it actually solve a major pain point? And I'll let you guys in on a little secret. The biggest pain point in the home business industry, the biggest problem that people have, is always like marketing strategy and how to succeed in the home business industry. That's why the easiest way to make money in this niche is not with whatever the next MLM company is. Typically it's a lot easier to make money with some offer that is designed to help people in their current business, right? Because what people desperately want in this industry is help. Yeah. I think it's widely known that in the home business space, 95% of the people who are trying to run a home business, never make a penny. They're struggling. They don't know what to do. So their biggest pain point is not making any money, not knowing how to market, right? So it will always be easier to sell somebody something that will help them in their current business rather than some whole entirely new concept that you're trying to get them to understand and to buy into, right? So obviously there are other types of incredible value that you can give within this space, but that's by far the easiest is marketing strategy, um, tools that will make their life easier, that kind of stuff that will help them with what they're already doing. I feel like I talk about this a lot, but there's a lot of people that sort of aren't getting that. So that's the first thing, value. The second thing, guys, is uniqueness. One of the big problems, is that there's really only Russell Brunson talks about this. There's this great book, I've got it right here, called Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson, and he talks about this in this book as well as in the .com Secrets book. He has this concept of the blue ocean, and basically the idea is that there's only three real areas that businesses are in, which is health, wealth, and relationships. And within health, wealth, and relationships, there's these different niches within each one. So if we're just looking at the wealth area, there will be different niches like real estate, forex, MLM, high ticket affiliate marketing, tools and training. Like there are these different niches within that. And what he's basically saying in the book is that you got to get pretty specific about what the offer is and find kind of a sub niche where there isn't all this competition, because the problem is if your offer is so generic that there are a million other offers that are claiming to do exactly the same thing, that's what we call a red ocean. And the idea is that like the fish are all being eaten by the sharks or something, and there's like blood in the water. So you're looking for a blue ocean. In other words, an ocean where there's no competition. Now, obviously, there's always going to be a little bit of competition, but the point is that the second pillar here has got to be uniqueness. How unique is your offer? In other words, like how many other offers are there out there that are exactly the same? That's one of the other problems that I have with the sort of health and wellness industry is that there's just a million of these like health supplement MLM companies that are just exactly the same. Like they're all the same, right? And so it becomes very difficult to distinguish your offer from the other ones. You got to be asking like, why would somebody join this instead of something else? Why would someone buy my offer instead of another offer? What can you do to make your offer unique? So one of the things I'm looking at when I'm looking at like is new opportunities to invest in or to jump on, something to promote. I'm looking at, is it valuable? Does it solve the pain in the marketplace? And is it unique? Like, is there anything else like this? Or are there a lot of other things like this? Right? So I'm looking for something that the person isn't going to be able to find elsewhere, right? One of the best ways of doing this, if you can, is to attach your own private coaching to the offer, because that's unique, right? There's no other one of you, and so people can, if they like you, they will be interested in your offers because they get to work with you, because that makes it unique. You see, obviously, if you're not there yet, you're not able to offer your own coaching to people. Because you don't have the confidence or the experience for that, that's fine. But in that case, you really need to look for something that's very unique, right? Something that people are going to be able to look at and go, "Oh wow, I've never seen anything like that before," right? Because if you're out there promoting something that's just like everything else, there's nothing to set you apart, right? So value, uniqueness, and then the third thing is compensation, the comp plan, where I talk about this a lot too, but like there's so many people out there promoting these offers that are just not designed to make you real money. Like the commissions are just not big enough, right? Like there's MLM companies where you make like $6 off of each person. And you're just gonna have to make hundreds of sales per month, to make a full-time income. It's just ridiculous, right? Whereas if you're selling something, if you're promoting something that has a nice big commission, this is why I'm such a fan of high ticket marketing. It's like I promote an offer right now that's $1,000 commission. So I only have to make like a couple of them a month, and I'm making like really full-time money, It's a lot easier to sell something for $1,000 that has a lot of value than to sell something that's kind of generic for $20. Believe me. And you only have to do a couple sales. So a lot of people are just not looking at the numbers, right? Like they look at something and they're coming at it from a scarcity mindset, and they're like, "Oh, look, it's cheap. It's only $25 to get started, and pays $25 commissions or $15 commissions or $10 commissions or something." It's like, yeah, okay, but like, how many sales are you gonna have to make? You're gonna have to make hundreds of sales. People think, oh, you'll just run traffic or something. That's like my biggest pet peeve. It's all these new people who've never made a dime online, thinking that the way to do it is to run traffic to a cheap offer. And that's just a disaster, because you're going to spend so much money on the traffic and make so little money, if any money that comes out the other end. It's just, a disaster waiting to happen, right? So those are kind of the three things that I look at, really. It's like, is there a real product that's valuable and unique? And by the way, guys, I hate to say this, but this industry, Fraser Brooks would probably kill me for saying this, but half of the companies out there are pyramid schemes, guys. They're illegal. Like the things that I see being promoted out there, this industry is full of illegal, unethical stuff, right? And I know in the network marketing world, we're all supposed to be going around going, "Oh, every business is a pyramid, and there's nothing wrong with MLM." And it's like, no, a lot of a lot of these offers are very clearly illegal. One of the ways that you can tell that is like, is there an actual product that people are actually buying, or are they just buying in order to get into the compensation plan? If people are only buying the product in order to participate in the compensation plan, it's illegal, right? So point being, you got to look for a real product that's actually valuable, that people, actually are getting something out of, and it's not just like a buy this so you can sell it to other people kind of a thing, right? Because that's a Ponzi scheme. So value, uniqueness. Is there anything else like it? Like, we're trying to make this easy on ourselves. We're trying to find what's the easiest thing that we can do to make money. It seems like some people are out there looking for the most difficult thing that they can promote. Like there's so many companies out there where it's like the offer is so absurd. It's like magical, snake juice potion that is like, I mean, it just looks like garbage. And even if it isn't garbage, any reasonably intelligent person is going to look at that and go, that looks like pretty sketchy, right? Why would you promote something like that? Why would you promote something, even if it is real, or even if this product, whatever that's supposed to be so amazing, actually works and is really great? Like, if it looks that goofy, then why would you promote that? You're just making your life difficult. You want to find something that's irresistible, right? And an irresistible offer has this combination. It's got amazing value. They can't find it anywhere else. It's totally unique, right? They look at it and they go, "Oh my God, that's what I've been looking for. I've never seen this anywhere else. I have to have it." Right? And then we want something that's got good good commission on the back end for us to make, when we sell it. Otherwise, it's not worth our time. So I hope that makes sense, guys. And I think a lot of people need to look long and hard at what they're promoting and go, am I making my life more difficult than it needs to be? Because like when you have a truly irresistible offer that meets these three criteria, I can't tell you how much easier marketing gets, you know? I mean, to some degree, it's like if you know how to get traffic, you can market anything. That's kind of true. But marketing a really irresistible offer, you're gonna make 30 times more money than if you're offering something that's kind of not that irresistible, you know? So, hope that makes sense, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And of course, if you want all the details of the how to strategy for how to really crush it on Facebook, definitely check out my free group. There'll be a link underneath this video to that. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel so you can check out all the videos to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, as usual, you can shoot me a message on Facebook. I'd be happy to chat about anything and everything. So looking forward to hearing from you guys, and we'll talk soon. Bye.